Do you know what's the first step of learning English? No. What should you do before learning English? No. Okay, don't worry, let's talk about it. Hello there, this is me, Tusha Hassan. You are watching my YouTube channel, and I'd like to introduce myself as a learner as you are. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about the first step of learning English. It's not only about learning English, but to anything you want to do in your life. If you really want to learn English, then first set up your mind. You will learn it no matter how hard it is, no matter how longer it takes. You will definitely learn it. You know, English is not a difficult subject, it's just a language. And thinking makes it difficult. If you really want to do something in your life, whatever you want to, you have to give your 100% effort. You have to pray and you have to be confident in every situation. You know, some of you say, I'm not as much as talented as you are, so it's not possible for me. You know what? In this world, impossible is absolutely wrong. All the knowledge that the creator has given to the man is in his brain. Even 20 years ago, we couldn't imagine the information capacity of the brain. But now the neuroscientist says the data storage capacity of cerebral cortex is 2000 terabytes. And that means you can store whole flame of the whole world inside it. And your brain's data storage capacity is 200 exabyte. And 1 exabyte is in a millions terabyte. And that means you can keep all the digital content in the world inside it. Can you imagine how much powerful is your brain? So keep trying, never give up. You will definitely be succeed one day. You know, when you work hard, when you give your 100% effort, when you pray, God will definitely help you one day, inshallah. And remember, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And be sure, click on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Until then, Allah Hafiz.